man, you still driving into Houston in the morning to get those Aerosmith tickets?
Oh, you damn right. Evening, ladies.
Oh, nice.
You need me to pick you up a couple?
Yeah, 2.
Cool.
Let me tell you what Melba Toast is packing right here, all right? We've got 411 posi track Outback, 750 double pumper, Edelbrock intakes, Ford over 30, 11-to-1 pop-up pistons, turbojet, 390 horsepower. We're talking some fucking muscle.
Hey, man, I know you got this thing out of a comic book. I saw the ad, $2.95. It was right next to the Sea Monkeys, man. You see that over there? That's white light. See the shoes on that thing? You gotta get some tires. These are pizza cutters, man.
All right. Well, here we are, everybody, with an introduction to our next project here on the channel. I just came off of finishing up all the 5 Robbie Walmart exclusives, got those shipped off, and I'm a little bit Robbied out right now, and it's going to take a couple of weeks before I get the control board for the Mobius model, so I'm going to go ahead and start this little project here next. This is the AMT 1/25th scale 70 Chevy Savelle SS 454 model kit. I'm going to build this from the title. You could probably pick up on that and the introduction there. I'm going to build this as Melba Toast from the movie Dazed Confused. The character Wooderson in the movie, played by Matthew McConaughey, drove this beautiful black and white 70 Chevelle SS 454 that he nicknamed Melba Toast. So we're going to do a nice little tribute build to that. This is the kit I'm going to be using. It's the AMT kit. It's a nice kit because it gives you the options of both the light and the dark colored decals for the stripes, so you can do a kind of your own color choice. I'm going to be doing the black with the white. I think the red and the black striped 70 Chevelle SS looks really great too. But great little kit. You can see it comes mostly box stock here, which is perfect because the car in the movie, from what I can tell, is all stock except for the CB antenna on the trunk. I may or may not add that detail. I'm not a big fan of those, but we'll see what we come up with. But we've got everything here we need. Got the SS interior, bucket seats, console, 454 engine, the stock original SS rally wheels. So this is the kit that we're going to be working with. Behind it, you can see something really interesting. I want to say a quick shout out to Gary, Transition Modeler on YouTube. He did a kit review of this a few weeks ago, and I didn't even know this kit was out there. I knew they made some, AMT does a little accessory parts thing for like a garage kit with some tools and stuff. But this is actually a complete gas station, which is awesome. It's in 1/24 scale, so it's slightly bigger scale than our Chevelle over there, but they're close enough. You'll never know the difference. And I've always wanted to get something like this or put something like this together, so whenever I take pictures of the car models that I build, I'll have something to set up. And I'll just set this up so I can take it down and put it back up whenever I want to do pictures. But it's a fairly complete gas station. You can see here on the side panels, it's got a picture of the kit. You can see it doesn't have a roof and doesn't have an interior in the office space of the garage. But you could build all that up with extra parts if you wanted to. Put some nice detail in there. I plan on making this look a little bit weathered too, not brand new like this. I want to have a nice little, setup where it looks like an old classic gas station, from back in the day. Got your old school gas pumps here. One's called High Test, which I really think is cool for, like muscle cars and stuff like that. Got your, I think this is a grease distributor here. You got your compressor, oil can rack, water can, battery charging rack, floor dolly, jack, the cool Joe's gas station neon sign. I might light that up on the top there. Got a lug wrench. You can see they actually got a Chevelle here on the shot being serviced. Got the hydraulic lift inside the garage so you could have a car up on that. It's got the little island here where the gas pumps are with this overhead light, so I may put some lighting in that. Yeah, I could do some nice low light shots, make it look like the car's parked there at night or whatever. Background sign lit up in the background. This will be really, really fun, and I'm going to build this up at the same time as I do the car. So a pretty cool little project. I know a lot of you guys that tune into my channel are mainly sci-fi people, but we have a lot of fans here that like to look at car builds too. So, and I get teased a lot too from the people that follow my car builds that I don't seem to build very many Chevys. I'm mainly a Mopar guy, but my very first car I had in high school was a 71 Chevelle SS. So I've had a few Chevys. I've had a 69 Z28 Camaro. I've had some really, really cool old muscle cars when they were, affordable back in the day, and I used to restore them myself. But so now I do it in small scale like this, and mainly focus on the, you know, kind of movie cars and cars that were important to me and things like that. But anyway, so I hope you guys will tune in for this build. I'll be starting it in a couple of days. Probably start off with the paint job on the body first. That's what I always like to get done first and kind of get that out of the way. I'll be doing a really nice black high gloss paint job on this, and I think I'm going to go into a little bit more detail of how I actually paint these, because a lot of people have asked. You know, I use the automotive 2K clear coat. That's how I get that nice gloss finish on my models, and you know, a little bit of polishing afterwards. I'll show you how I'm doing that. So we'll have a lot of fun with this one. I'm looking forward to it, and then the gas station part's going to be a blast. I can't wait to work on this. I really like you know, when you get to do weathering and make stuff look old and all that, and I've actually gotten pretty good at it after practicing on it for a couple years. So this should be a lot of fun. Do some lighting up in here. This has a lot of potential. All right, guys, we'll see you in a couple days for the start of this one. And then I've got some more sci-fi stuff lined up after that, too. I want to keep the kind of surprise for some of the stuff. I'm working on this stuff in between all my... I've got a ton of client work here in the shop, and really busy with that. And but I'm trying to keep these little projects going here on the channel, so I've got updates going from time to time. So we'll be back with the next video pretty soon, everybody. Take care, and happy modeling, everyone.